It's FanRap Late Night Show. Vana zero wafara na hela out ya chilamba.
Mbuzi yanga ndiyo yotoma ndiyo ri ini na Mac J, actually not mbudzisa statement changa chotoma ndicho ri ini na Mac J, you guys are a killer combination. Like ever since you guys came about sazunena kwambisa zone, like the moves zinena kuita zone and everything ndizvihurwane body and we appreciate and zviona, but wava na dzitsiye dzine dziyaraiziwa body uri like vunji ha zvithu zvine veve nani chikoita it's cap.
Yeah.
Ufana na hukwamba zopfi rovona na nne ndo chivona ndisakutoamba ngotori hukwambopfi hova na chinepe cholikawo cha CJ na Mac J vachikufariwa ngamapolisa and then ravudza zopfi CJ na Mac J vofariwa ngamapolisa zvambodzisa kundoguma muyani komulo ufirisiwa fanoni ndidzive zori like hoitea mini nga murahu musi CJ na Mac J vachifariwa ngamapolisa kunoitea dadada kecho chitonga chikosi
ndizokuma kuamba ngo zoitea it just didn't go the way that people went out in public and put it on public ukongwana zone mara zoitea zoitea ndizori we were shooting a video rakushuta video and the song needed us to have money, you know. So ratio uvarofara hard cash. So as we were shooting, you know, asukene la scene ina kutwa zotshelede na mina. Remember wanga zubona ari kushuta this video une havana vathu overnight. People will start to stand around and watch like you are acting or whatnot. But vatomodara as we were doing what we were doing. Vachitomodara vathu zvino ziko dadza ziko dadza nanga chelede la ine ravanayo because it was over chelede nyana njinyana sinjinji mara yeah. And then adama
okay kombro ni jena nyana nchikwamba da zino hapana ni kavenda rap late night show na zimwe zwithu zvine zvapfi arina cap arina ardzumbi so arali like something chabvelela chat ofiriselwa vathu otherwise views dziambo the number dzatsa so richikwamba nga chelede ine yoto disana mato wa mapolisa richikwamba nga kugaya fhethu yave yone on set.
It was just enough. It was enough to be on the board.
No. CJ, remember the amount.
If I remember correctly, that was 55 to 56,000.
There you have it.
Yeah.
Yay!
That was the money. And because those me were blind.
Mara don't mbuza zovu defano ni ma CJ. Chelede ngavo ni wana guy na just to read up on set yeah chelede ine okay ve when ngo shoot a video udoto their props dzinedza nga chelede for example yeah chelede ine yova collective CJ okay and do posa 30 da make am the okay and do posa 25 nyana da then they on set kana iyo chelede yeko bva guy
mutu maniga vudisi uri chelede ibva guy maniga vudisi uri chelede ibva guy anganda musoma polisa
mara mapolisa uziwa
msho we've got few businesses that we run the Mac whereby they do put money sometimes it's good sometimes it's bad but we've got businesses nyana nganda dzine dziyari pangala chelede you know so we decided to just go draw on that business account for those things you know it's our money so why not and we need to do it I mean rikale ko repa nga chelede ri shootwa risinayo ma ngora risinayo we knew arizitema it's time maniga
time kezo ndiyakhulwa na dzimwe dzi fellow artists dzine dza kuthetshelesa dziko dzhia notes uri let's not only depend on music fedzi dzi business dziyavha hone dzine dzi do kona u sponsora music kana ri do kona u investa music through dzenedzo dzi business but saizwi ri tshi khou isa phanḓa ni tshi khou isa phanḓa mapolisa a bvelela a vhona 50 something k and then
because una muthu o reporta away people believed during the fake you know they thought that was fake money so makhata chisika ba khwambo rukuita mini and stuff like that and then varfar panga veni vartuis you know chisika police station it was around Springs police station yaisitova kule kule richisvika da rosiya vasidzana pale pera kushuta navo navathu kuimange vachivomangana kurifonera uri hey guys are you okay zvino police station vakonyanga richiprove uri this is our money we know where it's coming from and stuff like that ravasumbedza vari okay sharp no problem you guys can go back and continue and then vatori kuzera pedzi rapala too dangerous you need to finish whatever you're finishing and then you go nendambodinamandara naimane pala nerapedzisa fast wadhiva mapolisa in South Africa cold drink cake ari chikona dzava ri vapange nakasini rapangana kasini pala vachinga vakurifara namina zvote ratorodisa cold drink it's South Africa you know and then it worked out like that ahunopfinda namake rosvika rarara jele for what not rotoka police station rasvika raexplaina where the money is coming from and what we're doing that's all